How to fix Instagram Reels black screen issue. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can fix black screen on Instagram Reels. Well, fixing a black screen on Instagram Reels, if you are facing one, typically involves fixing any corrupted cache files, app bugs, or weak internet connection. First thing, make sure your internet is working. Now that is less probably the issue, but what you want to do is head into your Play Store or App Store and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. However, in case there is no any update available, you can force quit your Instagram application and reopen it and then check if the issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, then you want to proceed to reinstall the application itself. Now before reinstalling, you might as well try and restart your device and see if that fixes the issue. Now if you're using Android, you can head into settings, apps, Instagram, storage, and clear cache and data. If you're using iOS, you are better off reinstalling the app. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.